We've seen it grow from an idea to an event to a world event.
This isn't a future dream, it's happening now.
Welcome to Leap 24.
Through integration, through innovation, and through investment.
His Royal Highness said that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia under Vision 2030 is the most bold and audacious success story of the 21st century. And look at these numbers. We've grown 3x the normal average for the digital economy.
Because you have the vision here, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and this central powerhouse of AI supercomputing going forward.
It's about what humans can achieve together.
ما كنا نفكر بفعالية أو مؤتمر تقليدي، شيء ممكن يغير رزنامة العالم التقني إلى الأبد. ببساطة لأننا في الرياض عاصمة اللا مستحيل.